Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Halloween centerpiece. The items you will need are a paper towel holder from Dollar Tree, a piece of styrofoam, a plastic knife, or you can use a sharper knife if you would like to. You will use the knife to make an insert on the styrofoam. Make sure that the insert is big enough so that way when you place it on the paper towel holder, it slides perfectly down and you won't have to force it in there. Once you have inserted the styrofoam onto the paper towel holder, now it's time to flip it on its back and start adding the Halloween flowers. You can add whatever flowers you would like. I am using black roses, orange carnations, purple roses, skulls, eyeballs, a spider. Continue adding the Halloween items until the entire front is all covered up. Once you have added all the Halloween items onto the styrofoam, you can now go back and check to make sure that all the styrofoam is covered up. And you can't see any parts of the styrofoam showing. If you see some of the styrofoam showing, rearrange your flowers to cover up the styrofoam. Now it's time to work on the left side. For the left side, I am using black leaves and purple flowers. Do the same thing as before. Place the leaves and the flowers to cover up the styrofoam. When you're done with the left side, move to the right side and do the same thing again with the leaves and the flowers to cover up the styrofoam. The only thing left to do is the top part of the styrofoam. For the top, I am using orange and purple carnations and two different kind of purple flowers that the names are unknown because the labels were thrown away. Here is the completed centerpiece. What I spent on this centerpiece was only $2.71. For the paper towel holder and the purple carnations, all the other items that were used I already owned for this project. Here's a better view of the centerpiece. Let's start with the front side. I also made a small Halloween sign to go with the centerpiece. Let's move on to the left side. Make sure that your styrofoam is covered up, unlike this part right here. Let's go to the right side again, and make sure that the styrofoam is covered up. Here is the top part of the styrofoam, all covered up with all the flowers. Now you can make your own version and place it out for the Halloween season.